In this example, for the first time, we're finding the length of a side, which is not the hypotenuse. It's a right-angled triangle, so we can still use Pythagoras' theorem. A squared is b squared plus c squared. But remember, the letter on its own, the a, is always the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is a, and the shorter sides we can call b and c. When we substitute in, we have 15 squared is equal to x squared plus 12 squared. Since these two things are equal, there's no reason we can't write x squared plus 12 squared is equal to 15 squared. Subtracting 12 squared from both sides gives x squared is 15 squared, take away 12 squared. Calculating, we then get x squared is equal to 81. Square rooting both sides gives x is equal to the square root of 81, and therefore x is equal to 9.